Welcome to our classroom. So this is going to be our classroom for, I don't know when, probably the whole school year, at least now it is. And hopefully it just stops after this. We can be back in school and you guys can all be back in your colleges in the fall. I know it really sucks to have this happen, guys, your senior year. Prom, graduations, all that stuff is probably going to get canceled. Big events, they're going to be, they're talking about not allowing big events to happen for a very, very long time, at least until the summer. I know Lollapalooza, they're still trying to figure that out. And it's a really crappy situation, especially for you guys, all being seniors. Hopefully there is a way that we can get you guys together at least once more as a class so you can say goodbye to your classmates and your teachers. So again, like last week, this is our overview video for the week. So I'm going to go over the assignment and kind of some announcements for us. So on this Tuesday, some announcements this Tuesday, I'm going to have a Google Meet. It's for all my students from 2:30 to 3:30. And it's for anyone who just wants to stop by, say hi. No real instruction is going to be happening there. It's just more of a conversation that we have like normally at the back of the school. Use of the directions to do it. I'm not giving you an actual link that you click into. You'll go into Google Meet, say join a meeting, and you'll use the nickname DUAA AP Physics, and then we'll go from there. Report card pickup, well, it's this week. You're not picking up anything because it's not like I can slide a piece of paper through the screen at you and it like pops out like the CD drive or if you're using a really old computer, floppy disk drive. That's going to be coming out. There's some guidance in the district about how that's going to work. Probably be a bunch of Google Meets if your parents want to talk to any of your teachers. And of course, you found this video. Why? Because you went to the Mistress Felny's UB2B channel and you got it all from there. So here's our assignment. So again, you're watching the video. Ooh. The next thing is the remote learning check-in form. That's a way for me to kind of have just to get a baseline of how you're doing, any issues, any concerns that you have. The questions do change from week to week, so just don't think you fill it out once and you're good. It actually changes every single time. So here's what we're looking at. Again, we're talking about the AP Physics test, which is set for May 14th. And I talked about it last week in the introduction video then, and I think I shared with you guys a document of what the AP test actually looks like. This week is a continuation of last week. We're doing the second half of the AP 2020 AP FRQ QQT questions. That's the qualitative translation questions. They're the longer ones, again, more like math types of problems. The online version was in the PDF version with the really, really big pictures that we're all used to. That's in last week's link. I'll put it up again. And also you can do the questions on the College Board website where you signed up for this AP class and any others that you have. I highly encourage you to try it that way because you're not taking the test on paper and sending a photo. For us, for this class, that's fine with me. But I highly encourage you to try going online and doing the test questions online at their platform. My guess, this is just an assumption and things could change by the time you view this, is that the AP Classroom website is going to look very similar to the College Board website. A question did come up. William was talking about test integrity. It's the honor system. Yeah, I'm not gonna share my answers right hand. I'm not gonna share my answers or do the test with anybody else. That's probably what it's gonna look like. But it is actually done where everybody is taking the same AP test at the same time. So it's not like one person you have the smart person take the AP test first and then let everybody else know afterwards. It doesn't work that way. Everybody's taking it at the same time. I think it's 3 o'clock local time on May 14th for us. So what do you turn in? Your completed answers. I'm going to grade them using the AP rubric, so not normal points like how I would say yes, check, 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 check. The AP rubric has a very specific set of ways how points are distributed from question to question. These QQT questions, this is the biggest part of the AP test. Well, there's only 2 questions. It's a 60% weight category of the AP test. So there are 2 questions. This question is worth 60% of the test. The other questions that we'll spend the next 2 weeks on are worth 40%. And those are the short paragraph questions. And we'll again do the next 2 weeks on that. But other than that, that's the overview of the week. Please check in with us, check in with all your teachers so we know that everything is doing okay. Let us know if you need anything. And until next week, I will see you guys later. Toodles.